Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi gaming monitor G24i. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. In the beginning, let's take a look at the top of the original box. Right here we've got the resolution, maximum refresh rate, rapid response, latency, and some certifications. Here we've got the image of the monitor. That is 23.88 inch. As you can see on the original box, this is the back of the box. Take a look at the side. Right here on the sticker we can learn the model number, input, and some specification of the monitor, also with serial number. And here on the front we can see same informations as on the back. Also take a look at the top. Here we find another certifications and unpacking tutorial. And on the bottom we can only find Mi logo. Now let's remove the tape. And once the tape is removed, we can slide the monitor outside the box. Let's remove the box from the scene, and here we've got the monitor in styrofoam. Once you lift the monitor, let's place it aside for a moment. Underneath we can find power cable, HDMI cable with warranty card and manual, and right here we can find stand, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.